Hey there! Today we are going to talk about how to create a mason jar herb garden like this to flavor your food. Plant your favorite herbs and place them in your kitchen windowsill. You'll need mason jars, pebbles, potting mix, herbs. Because the jars do not have holes for drainage, starting with a layer of rocks, gravel or even marbles about 2 inches deep in the bottom of jars will prevent roots from damaging from excess water. Next, add an organic potting mix to the jar. Be careful not to fill up the jar to the brim. You can also add charcoal or sand before potting mix. Put the baby herb plants of your choice carefully in the jar without causing any harm and cover the roots with soil properly. Water the plants as soon as they are replanted. Finally, decorate your mason jars however you like. You can write the names of the herbs on a piece of paper and stick it on the jars. This will help you to identify the herbs at a glance.